Well, meanwhile, the Obama administration's controversial contraception mandate goes into effect today. Most businesses, including Catholic institutions, must now ensure that their health insurance provides birth control coverage to employees. Catholic leaders say this rule forces them to violate their beliefs. Penny Nance is the president and CEO of Concerned Women for America, and she joins us now. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Patty Ann, for having me.
So you say that it's not just religious groups that should be concerned about this, that everyone should be concerned because it impacts on everyone's basic freedoms.
That's right, Patty Ann. Concerned Women for America is leading the charge to repeal this mandate and, of course, the underlying law, because this is absolutely assault on individuals' right to freedom and right to conscience. And let me also explain that most people think this is just about contraceptives. No, it's much bigger. In fact, Concerned Women for America doesn't even have a position on contraceptives. This mandate forces employers and individuals to pay for abortion-inducing drugs as well as contraceptives. So today is really a sad day for many Americans. This is when our government has violated our consciences, despite the fact that the president promised in passing the Affordable Care Act that this wouldn't happen.
So the Obama administration says it worked around this controversy by putting the mandate on the insurance companies instead of the employers as it originally did. But you say that does not change the basic problem here.
No, it's an accounting gimmick, and even people that support the law have agreed that it is. So that's not true. Americans at bottom are having to pay for something that violates their consciences. And the really odd thing about this whole thing is that it's not even a real issue, because we spend $2 billion a year of our tax dollars to pay for contraceptives for poor women. Most states have between 14 and 40 locations, community health centers, that any woman can walk into and get free birth control pills or free contraceptives if that's what she wants. This is a give me to the left. This is something to try to bring out his base, but it's a bad deal, and it's a bad deal for American women.
You also make the accusation that the Obama administration is just trying to offer entitlements to shore up the single woman vote.
Absolutely. This is, again, a political give me to the left in order to have a free birth control instead of, because of their vote. But truly, this law has increased $2,100 per person our cost in health insurance. It's a bad deal. Keep our taxes low, keep our health insurance costs low, and you can pay for whatever you want without forcing people of faith to violate their consciences. Right. It's just really a bad idea, and I think they've awoken a sleeping giant here. This is going to come up in political races. Okay. It's going to come up in Joe Donnelly's race in Indiana, because he was the vote on this.
We're going to have to leave it there. All right, Penny Nance, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.